The Fidget Toys Adults Pack by Cheslakiar is a collection of sensory fidget tools designed to help relieve stress, anxiety, and improve focus for both adults and children. This set includes 6 different fidget items: an infinity cube, 3 magnetic rings, a fidget ball, a flippy roller bike chain, and 2 wacky tracks. These toys are intended to provide tactile stimulation and sensory engagement, which can be particularly beneficial for individuals with ADHD, autism, anxiety, or those who simply need a way to keep their hands busy during work or study. The variety within the pack aims to cater to different preferences and needs, offering a range of textures, movements, and sensory feedback. Each piece in the set is compact and portable, making it easy to carry in pockets or bags for use anywhere, whether at home, in the office, classroom, or while traveling. The materials used are durable and smooth, designed to withstand regular handling without discomfort or noise, which is important for discreet use in quiet environments. The magnetic rings provide a unique tactile experience, though some users have noted that their magnetic pull is relatively weak compared to standalone magnetic fidget toys. The infinity cube and flippy chain offer satisfying repetitive motions that can help channel nervous energy and improve concentration. User feedback on this pack is generally positive but mixed in some areas. Many appreciate the affordability and the range of fidget options included, finding that at least half of the items are quite enjoyable and effective for stress relief. The magnetic rings, while a favorite for some, have been described as having a weaker magnetic force, which may reduce their appeal for users seeking a stronger sensory experience. The fidget ball and some other pieces have been reported as somewhat stiff or lacking in function, which might not satisfy all users. Despite these minor drawbacks, the overall consensus is that the set provides good value, especially for those new to fidget toys or looking for a variety of options in one package. One point of concern raised by some users relates to quality control. Upon unboxing, there have been reports of the infinity cube showing signs of prior use, such as scuff marks and greasy surfaces, which detracts from the impression of receiving a brand new product. This issue has led to some hesitation in trusting the brand fully and suggests that buyers might want to consider purchasing individual, higher quality fidget toys if they prioritize pristine condition and durability. The packaging is minimal and compact, which is environmentally friendly and convenient, but it can be challenging to fit all the fidget toys back into the box after use. This minor inconvenience does not affect the functionality, but is worth noting for those who prefer neat storage solutions. In terms of practical applications, these fidget toys serve well as tools for managing anxiety and improving focus. They're quiet, which makes them suitable for use in classrooms, offices, or public spaces without causing distractions. They also make excellent gifts for children, teens, and adults who benefit from sensory input or need a calming outlet. The set is versatile enough to be used as party favors, classroom prizes, or stocking stuffers during holidays. Overall, the Fidget Toys Adults Pack is a solid choice for anyone looking to explore sensory fidget tools without a significant investment. It offers a broad selection of tactile experiences that can help reduce stress and improve concentration. While some items may not meet the expectations of more discerning users or those seeking premium quality, the set's affordability and variety make it a practical option for many. Potential buyers should be aware of the possibility of minor quality inconsistencies and weigh this against the price point. For those who find value in fidget toys for anxiety, ADHD, or simply keeping hands busy, this pack provides a convenient and enjoyable solution. If you own this product, please consider leaving your own review in the comments to help others make informed decisions. The link to purchase the Fidget Toys Adults Pack is in the description below, and using it supports this channel. This set is recommended for anyone looking to add a fun, functional, and portable stress relief tool to their daily routine.